All right, in this video, we're going to go ahead and create a person resource. Person resource is going to be the actual therapist, the individual therapist. So in this video, we're going to create two therapists. Let's just go ahead and assign the property here. All right, we're going to call her Jane Jones. All right. Now, when you select user reference here, this will attach Jane Jones to the actual user in Xenium for tracking purposes. Currently, I'm going to not select one because I don't believe I have Jane Jones set up. However, I can just set up, we can set up somebody else. Let's just set up Aaron. So we're going to call this resource Aaron Bland. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and assume that this is a female. We're going to assign the resource group of a therapist to this person. All right. The base unit of measure is going to be each. All right. The resource price, we're just going to go ahead and just say, let's say $50. All right. The cost of the resource, maybe it's $25. All right. Let me go ahead and just there you go. All right. We can add characteristics. So since we put master certification, we could do a different level as well. In levels, these are preset. However, if you would like to change them, you can go into setup and then levels and change those. Let's just say level 1, master certification. All right. Now, for availability, let's go ahead and save this therapist. Now let's generate some availability for this therapist, okay? We're going to go ahead and select the start date of today and the end date of, let's say, until the new year. We're going to utilize the work plan schedule that we created, and we could do schedule start week 1, okay? All right, so it must be forward in time. So let's generate availability from the 1st. Let's generate availability from the 13th. How about that? There we go. Now, from 13th to 31st, this is the availability for this therapist, all right? Let's go ahead and create another therapist. I'm going to just find somebody else. Alex. Let's go ahead and Alex. Oops. There we go. We're going to assign the resource group of therapist. Each this unit price, let's say it's $40. And the cost is maybe $15. Now we can say this is a training therapist, level 1. All right, let's save. Let's generate availability. Let's do the same from the 13th to the 31st of January. There we go. There we go. And we will do the same schedule start week 1. All right, now that availability is generated. And that's how you create a person resource of different therapists.